This is the modified dual-purpose bicycle. The bike chain is attached to the sprocket of the rear wheel of a kid's bike that is being held up by a bike trainer. The V-belt is also connected to the rear wheel and is able to be connected to various machines. This is different from previous models because it requires no welding as circled in the pictures shown. As she starts to pedal, it sets the bike chain in motion, causing the rear wheel and V-belt to spin. The saw blade starts to move very fast, and it is able to cut through the wood easily. As she pedals at a constant speed, the saw blade is even able to cut through a thicker piece of wood, as shown in this video. This design is overall more accessible to people around the world who may live in smaller villages and do not have the tools to weld. They can just repurpose the parts of the bicycle itself and can see the same benefits as the original dual-purpose bicycle. The same design that was used previously is used again in this video, except the table saw is replaced with a corn sheller. For more information about sustainable technology, you can visit www.technologyforthepoor.info, or you can message Dr. Job Ebenezer at technologyforthepoor@yahoo.com.